It's the one place that you can see all the manufacturers and see the new equipment, see the new technologies, meet people to talk about your upcoming projects, your clients' upcoming projects, and so it gives you a great opportunity to use that time to meet them.
For me as a consulting engineer, if I'm working on a project for a client, I can come here and in one place maybe get 4 or 5 different angles or perspectives on dealing with those same issues and bring those back to my client, you know, the utility or the organization, and say, hey, did we think about this? Or, you know.
How long have you as a team been working on this presentation for the competition?
We started in about April, and we've been meeting weekly up until now.
Well, the technical program is put together roughly 6 or 8 months prior to, but the technical program covers a wide range of issues, from collection system, how we get wastewater to treatment facilities. We talk about the treatment process and the various facilities involved with that. Everything from basics within those organizational challenges to leading edge technology.